The new Yamaha R7 with genuine Yamaha accessories. The ADRENALIN pack accessories, which is designed for track-only use. The pack comes with the sport screen for additional protection to the rider, tank side grips for effective grip when cornering or shifting weight, custom designed billet front brake lever guard, quick shifter kit for quicker and effortless upshifting, Akrapovič full system exhaust for increased performance and weight saving, rear seat cover in unit matching colors. DB Racing crankcase protector set, which is lightweight and high-tech, providing protection to crankcase and engine. Racing cover kit for license plate holder mounts, mirror mounts and passenger foot peg mounts after these have been removed for track riding. Billet foot pedals adjuster kit for foot pegs, rear brake pedal and gear shift pedal. Next is the style pack, which is designed for street use. The style pack comes with quick shifter kit for quicker and effortless upshifting, license plate holder, sports screen, tank side grips for effective grip when cornering or shifting weight, and custom designed billet front brake lever guard.